Good afternoon, everyone. Today on the World Heart Day, I would like to wish everyone a happy and healthy heart. So, today for the World Heart Day, I am Dr. Avinash. I am an interventional cardiologist, DM Cardiology, MD Medicine, practicing in Panvel at Ashirwad Heart Clinic in Kamote. Today, on this occasion, I like to stress the current scenario of heart diseases and the role of healthy diet for healthy heart. As we all know, heart diseases are on rise due to different reasons. Majorly sedentary lifestyle, less amount of exercises, smoking, alcohol, and unhealthy diet practices. Among those, the sedentary lifestyle, the unhealthy diet practices account for majority of the risk quantification. As we all know, as the exercise, the diet is also equally important. Now, healthy diet for prevention of heart disease is multifactorial approach, like eating more fiber, fruits, vegetable, reducing the salt intake, eating the whole grain. You have to watch for your fat intake and reducing the sugar or the refined carbohydrate intake and focusing on a higher fiber diet and a healthy diet. We'll come to each and every point step by step. First is eating fiber, fruits, and vegetable. We, as we all know, fresh vegetable and fruits they are rich in fiber. They are rich in substances that help to prevent heart diseases as well as diabetes and hypertension. They are rich in potassium, so hypertension also reduces with intake of healthy fruits and vegetables. This practice we are day by day we reduced it and we replaced our fruits with fast foods. So we must inculcate adequate quantity of fruits. I would recommend at least one fruit to be taken daily, preferably in the evening time, which is our breakfast time, around 5 to 6 p.m. Next, coming to the whole grain food. The polished and processed cereals are harmful. The many of the nutrients are missing, as well as the processing increases the risk of harmful chemical going into our body. So for that part, we should prefer whole grains and avoid the refined grains. And we should try new cereals which are not typically in an Indian diet, like brown rice, barley, and oats. These are having less calories and very efficient for weight loss. Coming to the salt intake, as you all know, the recommendation is less than 6 gram of salt or 1.5 gram of sodium. Now, salt is very important part of our diet. To some extent, it adds the spice to our diet, but when it is taken in extra quantities, it is very harmful. It raises our blood pressure. So, while cooking or while eating processed food, we should look for the salt intake that we are taking. While cooking, we should put salt only so that the taste we can get it. For processed food, I would advise not to take very salty foods like wafer, chips. Once in a while, it's okay. But what we see nowadays, most of our day burgers, the sandwiches, they contain lot amount of salt, which is not good for diet. You have to next coming to the fat intake. You have to see which oil you're using. The oil should not be having saturated fatty acids. The best oil is a mixture of two or three oils. Generally, we recommend oil rich in polyunsaturated fatty acids and monounsaturated fatty acids as a combination. Traditionally, this combination it works better with a sunflower or safflower and a rice bran oil. Generally, we recommend it. We should avoid taking fried food, fried fish, or chicken, fried chicken. These absorb lot amount of oil and it is harmful for health. Second, along with such diet, we should prefer eating green leafy vegetables, help that oil so that it will not be absorbed from our intestine. Second, coming to the carbohydrates, the rich refined carbohydrates and the heavy sugars, they are equally harmful as oils. All the pastas, breads, pizzas, they all contain heavy refined carbohydrates. And instead of this, you can prefer a multigrain bread or brown rice or a bran cereal, oatmeal, and non-starchy vegetables. So these replacement will help to reduce the refined carbohydrates in our diet. Coming to the high fiber food, more the fiber in our diet, less the absorption of our oily food will take. It will, the transit time of our food will be fast. So absorption of harmful substances will be less. So we should always prefer high fiber diet. High fiber diet meaning the green leafy vegetables, fruits. You have to take carrots, cucumber, tomatoes in your diet. A good salad with a cucumber, carrot, tomato, and yogurt or dahi into it is very good in nutrition as well as a healthy fiber diet. You have to inculcate eating beans, nuts, or barley and oatmeal in your breakfast. When a diet is appropriate, the majority of our digestive system stays good. At the end, for healthy heart, apart from diet, walking for at least 40 to 45 minutes daily, doing yoga, pranayam, and doing stress management, managing your time is equally important. At the end, I wish everyone happy World Heart Day and please take off your heart in this pandemic situation. It is very difficult time to cope with. Most of the population has been restricted to their houses, working from home. It is difficult in such scenario. The stress management, the diet, and changing your lifestyle accordingly is very important. So, at the end, I wish everyone happy World Heart Day. Thank you.